The Bose Smart Soundbar delivers fully immersive sound that puts you in the middle of all your entertainment. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your soundbar. First, here's everything you should find inside the box. Your Bose Smart Soundbar, a remote control with battery included, a power cord, an optical cable, a high-speed HDMI cable, and finally, important documentation. Now, let's set up your soundbar. Begin by centering the soundbar in front of your TV. For the best sound quality, make sure the up-firing speakers on top of the soundbar aren't blocked. Next, connect the power cord into the power port on the back of the soundbar. Plug the other end into a power outlet. The soundbar will automatically power on, and the light bar will glow amber once it's in setup mode. To complete setup, access additional features, and receive future software updates, you'll need to download the Bose app. To quickly find the app, just scan this QR code inside the Quick Start Guide. Once it's finished downloading, open the app and then log in with a My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap Set Up New Product and then select Smart Speakers, Soundbars, and Amps. A scan will begin searching for your soundbar. Once it appears, tap Add and then tap Pair. Follow the remaining app instructions to connect your soundbar to Wi-Fi, set up sharing settings, connect accessory speakers, and add any compatible voice assistants in your region. Of course, you'll also need to connect the soundbar to your TV. We recommend using either the preferred HDMI cable or the optical cable, but not both, as having both connected can prevent the audio signal from properly passing between the TV and soundbar. Your Bose Smart Soundbar supports Dolby Atmos technology, which does require an HDMI connection. However, our proprietary TrueSpace technology will intelligently analyze any audio signal and upmix it to create a multi-channel experience with a sense of height in the soundscape. If using an HDMI eARC or ARC port, you will be able to control the power, volume, and mute functions of the soundbar with the remote you currently use to control your TV. The HDMI CEC function within your TV settings must be enabled for this functionality. Insert one end of the HDMI cable into your TV's HDMI eARC or ARC port. Then insert the other end into the HDMI eARC port on the back of the soundbar. If connecting with the optical cable, remove the protective cap from both ends. Align one end with your TV's optical out port and then insert the plug carefully. Align the other end with the optical in port on the back of the soundbar and firmly push until you hear or feel a click. When using an optical cable, you can take advantage of the Autowake feature, which automatically powers on the soundbar whenever a sound signal is received. To enable or disable this feature, press and hold the power button on the remote until the light bar pulses white twice. And finally, if you ever want to make voices easier to hear without reducing the impact of immersive sound effects, turn on the new AI dialogue mode. Your Bose Smart Soundbar is now set up. For additional support, visit our website.